Hey, what's up, fam? It's Southern Smoke Boss back at it again today, baby. Hey, today I'm bringing y'all something that's a little easier that you can do after you get off from work or out of class or whatever you may do. You may be sitting at home retired. Something just really simple. So the ingredients that I got here is, so the key ingredient I got is some just small steaks that I'm gonna cut up into some strips. And then I got some mushrooms here, some onions. I got some minced garlic. I got some black pepper and salt for seasoning, and cornstarch. I'm gonna put that on the steak. And I'm gonna be using some egg noodles. I'm gonna just show you guys what they look like. I got them to the side. So I got some egg noodles that I'm gonna be using to make it. So we're gonna be making beef stroganoff. So first we're gonna start by, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting up the little steaks into.
Next level. Next level.
Okay, now that our steak is all cut up, I'm gonna get ready to put it in my bowl, and we're gonna go wash it off. So I just got a strainer so I can just strain it, then put it in the bowl. Let's go over here into the sink and wash it off. So you guys, I'm back from getting it washed off and cleaned. So now I'm just gonna add in just some regular salt, just for your taste. Some black pepper. And I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of cornstarch. This is gonna make it really tender and give it that nice little crisp that you know, so the steak, that juice stays inside of that steak. Okay, we're gonna let this marinate for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna go over here and put our egg noodles on and get them to start boiling. Now that our water is nice and hot, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the egg noodles and let them start boiling. I'm gonna use half the bag for the recipe that I'm going with. You can just use how much ever you think you need for the rest, depending on the size you make. Alright, so we're gonna let our steak marinate for 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and put the steak inside of here. And that's everybody's favorite sound in here. That's when you know it's getting that nice brown crust on the bottom side. So we're just gonna go ahead and let this get browned up and done. Stay tuned, you guys. Okay, so our egg noodles are nice and done. We don't want them to get too chewy, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them off and drain them off. I'm gonna run a little cold. I'm just gonna run a little cold water over top of the egg noodles. So I like to run the cold water over the egg noodles so they stop cooking, so they cool down a lot quicker and they don't be overdone. Okay, so you see it's really thick, and that's how the corn starts to do, like a gravy already for you. So I'm gonna place the meat into something to the side. Alright, so I added a little oil to my pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and saute up my onions, my mushrooms. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic in there with it. And we're just going to saute this just about 5 minutes. We don't want it to get too mushy because it's also going to cook in there when you're making up, put in there with the gravy. Okay, so let's just stir around our onions and mushrooms and garlic. Alright, so our onions and mushrooms and garlic is the texture that I wanted. So I got a tablespoon I have a tablespoon of white flour here that I'm going to use to make my gravy up. And we just go stir it in just like you normally would, you know, do your gravy. And just get it to the color that you like for it to be. Like I like mine to be a little brown, so I'm going to let it. Make sure you have the stove on, you know, low heat. You don't want to have it on super high trying to make up the gravy because you'll burn it up fast in a hurry. So I'm going to add in a little salt and pepper just for my taste. Some pepper. And now here's some salt. Just stir that around in the pan. So I got this little magic brown and seasoning sauce. I'm going to add in some in here, just to go ahead and get my color and it's nice seasoning. So I'm gonna use beef broth, but you can use water. So I use 1 cup of beef broth. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my steak and watch how I go start to thicken up. Just stir it in and mix up your steak in there. Okay, and just put your top on and let it saute for about 15 minutes, and it'll thicken up. Let it simmer. I'm gonna stir it up some. Just bring the meat from the bottom and down to the top, and the meat from the top to the bottom. All right, so we're gonna let it. It's about 8 minutes in, so we're gonna let it simmer about 7 more minutes. So here you have my noodles here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my beef over top of my noodles. Oh man, look at that, just coming on down like that. That bad boy is looking good. Woo. And now I'm just gonna hit it with a little parsley just for, you know, decoration. It smells amazing. I can only imagine how it's gonna taste. So, hey, if you're new to my channel, hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become part of this family right here that we know built together. Hey, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.